See, I am writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 10. In this way numbers I am writing. Okay. Now, few questions I am going to ask you. Tell me, 4 is nearest to which number? 1 or 10? You say simple. 4 is nearest to 1. If I write here 0, then you say it is nearest to 0. Okay. And this 2 is nearest to 1 or 0. Do you say this 2 is nearest to 0? It means its round-up value is 0. Okay. Because 2 is nearest to 0, so round-up value of 2 is 0. Round off. Similarly, round off of 4 is 0 because 4 is nearest to 0. Round off value of 5. 5 lie exactly between 1 and 10. So 5 is nearest to, you can say, either 0 either 10. But you don't write 0. You go in the direction of where is the greater value than 5. The greater value than 5 is 6, 7, 8 and 10. So we write round up value of 5 is 10. Okay, because it lie exactly in between. So any number is lie exactly between, you write its nearest greater value, and 5 nearest greater value is 10. Similarly now 7 is nearest to 10, so now the round up value of 7 is 10. If I am asking what is the round up value of 11, so you say 11 is nearest to 10 or 20. If 11 is nearest to 10, it means you write its round up value is 10. Similarly, 12 is nearest to 10, so you write its round up value is 10. It is farthest from 20. Now 18 you see, it is nearest to 10 or 20. You say, sir, it is nearest to 20. If it is nearest to 20, then you write its round up value is 20. Similarly, now question number first, exercise 1.4, 53, round of 8 nearest to tens. So this is your ones place, this is your tens place. Now in tens place, its round up value you write 50 because it is nearest to 50. Similarly, round of 35, 35 is exactly in between 30 and 40. So now round up value of 35 is, you say 40. You don't say 30 because it is lie in exactly between 30 and 40. So you go to greatest value which is nearest, and the greatest value is nearest is 40. So you write 40. And in the last here is 5. So you also understand the 5 is goes to 10. 30 plus 10. Okay, now 477. It's round value. You see ones place and tens place. Okay. Till tens it becomes 77, and the 77 is nearest to 70 or 80. You see it is nearest to 80. If it is nearest to 80, you write in place of 77, you write 80. Then your final answer is 480. And on the left side, the digit is right, that you write exactly same. If you round a given number in the nearest tens, you get, means you round the number and you will get like 50, 90, 170, 870, 200, 2700. Which number you round up, you will get this. Suppose if we round up 49, what we will get? 50. If we round up 48, then what we will get? 50. If we round up 43, then what we will get? 40. Okay. If we round up 51, then what we will get? 50. It means like that any possible numbers you can write whose nearest value is 50. Okay. So you see I am writing here 45, 46, 47. If you round up these numbers, you will get 50. And I can also write here 48, 59, and 50 also I can write. Okay. And 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay. Only these numbers I can write. Now after that we can write 45, 40, okay, 4. So we can write only this 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Only these numbers we can write. For that whose round up value we will get 50. Now round up value of 364 till nearest 100 place. This is 1 stands 100 place. Now on 100 place is 3 and total value is 36. 36 is nearest to 40. Now you see this 4 is in the right side. So your right side value you convert as 0. You write there 0. Your answer is 400. 364 round up value is 400. This will be round off on 100 places. Now round off 4845. Here 800 on the 100 place. Okay, this is ones place, tens, hundreds. On 100 place here is written 8 and 84 is 84 is nearest to 80. So you write in place of 84 you write 80 and in place of 5 is you write 0 because it is in the right side. Now your round up value is 4800. Your answer is 4800. Okay. Now round off nearest 1000. Now this 122 is round off value. What means question number 4? If you round a given number, the nearest 100, you will get 100. So see, if we round up 122, its value we will get 100. How? This 12, this 1 is written on the 100 place, and this total value where you see this 12, and 12 you see the round of nearest to 10, and this 2 is right side, you convert as a 0, then you get 100. Means 122 is nearest to 100 as compared to 200 because we are comparing only the 100 places. We are talking about nearest 100 places. Okay, so 122 is in 100 places 100 and 200. 122 is nearest to 100 or 200. So use a simple 122 is nearest to 100 because 200 is value is very much further. Similarly, if you want to write the nearest value 600, the nearest 600 value is what can possible. So you can write 599. 599 it is nearest to 600. Yes, so you can write 599. Means in below side, side till 59 you can move up and down. You can write 601. That round up value is also you get 600. Okay. Similarly, you can write 610. 610 round up value you will also get 600. Similarly, there are many answers are possible. You write only a few that explains your questions. Now, question number 5. Sorry, 4, D part. Its round up value. D. 4700 means which number you round up, you will get 4700. The nearest 700 what value are possible? 699. Okay. And 720, 701. There are many values possible. So if I write 400, 4699, its round up value is also 4700. If I write 4720, its value is also 4700. Okay, because this 72, you see, if we are doing round up value, each 0, 1's place, 2, 10's place, 7 on 100 place. On 100 place is 7, and the value is there 72. 72 nearest to 70. In place of 72 you write 70, and in the right side there is 0, you also mention the 0, and your final answer 4700. This is your round up value. Question number 5. You try yourself. Question number 6. Estimate each number to nearest tens, 100 and thousands. Means first we round up nearest 10, then we round up nearest 100, then we round up nearest 1000. Okay, so see 4315 on the nearest place, nearest 10, what digit is written there? 1. Okay, ones, 5 on ones, and 1 on tens. Till 10 place there is 15. 15 is nearest to, let's say, 20, because it is exactly mid value. So exactly mid value you write its greater value. Its greater value you write 20. Okay. So 15 round up value is 20. It means this number, if you round up till 10's place, then its round up value is 4320. Okay, now 4300. On the 100 plus there is written 3, and 3 1 31. 31 is nearest to 30. Now In place of 31, you write 30, and the 5 is written in the right side. You convert the right side digit as 0. Do you write the 30 after 0, then 300? And you see in the left side is written 4. The left side number in digit, you write exactly same. You write 4 in the left, then you round up value 4300. In another words, you can understand this. 305, 305 in hundreds places is nearest to 300 or 400. You say 305 is nearest to 300. Nearest to 300. If it is nearest to 300, then you write in place of 305, you write 300. Now round up value 4305 in 100 place, you will write here 4300. What you write? 4300. Now it's round up value till 1000 place. On the 1000 place, what is written there? 4. Now 4 means 43. Yeah, you say 4300. If 4000 in that, if we are talking about for thousands, 4000 and 5000. There is the value only this 4000, 5000. 4300 or you say 4300 is nearest to. You say this is not exactly in between, it means it is nearest to 4000. So its round value you say 4000 only. Okay. In another words, you can also understand this 43. 43 because on the thousandth place is 4 here and this 43, this 43 is nearest to 40, 50. It is nearest to 40 and the right side is it will convert as 0. You write in the left or right two digit as 0 and then its number is 40 and 00. It means your answer is 4000. Okay. In the two ways you can solve this problem. Okay, now next question. 6D part 47,588. Its nearest tens. Now on the nearest tens, ones place 8, tens place is 8, and this two digit 88. Okay. Now 88 is nearest to 90. In place of 88, you write there 90. Then you round the value till tens place is 47,590. 599 G. Now for 100 plus ones, tens, 100. On 100 place here is 5 and 5 is 58. 58 is nearest to 50 or 60. You say 58 is nearest to 60. And right side digit you convert as 0. Now it is 600. And another word you can also understand is 588 is nearest to, in 100 places 500 or 600. 588 is nearest to 600. Okay. So now you write in place of 588 600, and the remaining two digits you write as it 47,600. This is your round off value till 100 place. Now for 1000 place, 8 on ones, next 8 on tens, 5 on 100, and 7 on 1000. Okay. Now 7, 5, 75. 75 is nearest to, you say 80. On the right side digit you convert as 0, 0. Now you say your answer is 48,000. Okay. And another word you can also understand is 7,500. 7,500 in 1000 place, it is nearest to 7,000 or 8,000. You say 75 is exactly in between, means 7,500 exactly between 7,000 and 8,000. So you write its greater value, and of its greater value is 8,000. It means you write 48,000. Now question number 7. Its round up value. What is its round up value? Till current place. We say 1 is on ones, tens, 100, and 5 on 1000. Okay. Now till current places, its round up value what is? You say 18 crore. What is 18 crore? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, crore, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. Now till 84, 84 is nearest to, 84 is nearest to 80. So you write 80 and 1 in the left side digit you write as it. Now in the right side digit you convert as 0. Now your final answer is 18 crore. First part answer is 18 crore. Now for millions, you again count the values, place values. 1 on the ones, 2 on the tens, and 7 on 100, 5 on 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10. Okay, not here you earn lakh, because this is international system. Then you move 10,000 after 100,000, 100,000 after million. This 4 on million. 43. 43 is nearest to. 43 is nearest to 40. In place of 43 you write 40. In the right side digit you write as it, means 18 you write as it. Now this becomes 184. In the right side digit you write 0. In place of right side digit you write there 0. Now you say 184 million. Means 184, and you increase there how many zeros? 3 is 6 after 184. Okay. Your answer is 184 on the second part answer.